sure we'll be able to explain everything to his satisfaction.
Look, how long are we going to be kept here?
Take them to the cells, Major.
I thought you said we were going to see the General.
The General is not available. Take him away.
Prison escort, attach, right, turn. Right of that, quick, out, left, right,
There's no need to keep
right,
shouting at us, you know.
left, right, left.
Oh, I'm sorry, you want some more?
Thanks.
Where's your hospital?
Oh, it's not far.
Whereabouts?
Well, you're going to think me awfully silly, but I can't quite remember.
Don't worry. It'll come back to you. Memory's a funny thing out here. Can't always remember things myself.
What kind of things?
Oh, silly things. Names, dates. How long I've been here. Sometimes wonder if I got a touch of the old shell shock. Talk to anybody else about it?
Haven't liked to. One feels so stupid.
Yes. Still, it's rather worrying not being able to remember things. I suppose I'd better answer that. Thanks, old man.
Major Barrington.
Yes?
Right, sir. Well, we wanted an HQ, some sort of inquiry to do with those civilians you brought in.
How long will it take? I'm bound to be needed back to the hospital.
You just got your ambulance out of the mud. We'll all go in that, and then you can go